In today's video, I will be talking about supply and demand, and I will be showing you guys all the pro tips about supply and demand. Also, I'm going to go more in depth about supply and demand, and I will be sharing some pro tips that I have never talked about so that you guys could use them to your advantage. Let's find some opportunity and then I will explain everything furthermore. Okay, I'm taking this one for one trade here, guys. For those who are new to the channel, let me mark the supply area for you guys so you can see and follow along. So basically, with supply and demand, we are basically looking for an engulfing candle. Now you guys notice that this candle right here particularly, you could see that this was a very strong engulfing candle, right? Because this is also a hammer candle. You see what I'm saying? So this is one of the pro tip for today, guys. I hope you guys find this pro tip very valuable. This engulfing candle was very strong in my opinion. Oh, I'm taking this one for sure. Right, guys, so this one is in the medium category demand area. It's very much takeable. As you can see right here, I'm also in the direction of the trend. The market is going higher. Someone asked me something the other day and I want to address it about supply and demand, right? Someone says that if in the comments, if when they are trading supply and demand, if you always have to go with the trend. No, you don't always have to go with the trend, right? Because remember, every trend ends, right? And it may be reversal time and you enter and you win. No, going with the trend only makes you go with the market flow, but you can still take supply and demand against the trend also. Okay, it's not impossible to do. You can do it and still win, but I just say to go with the trend because it's just beginner friendly and much better to do so. Okay, I'm going to take this trade for one. The only reason why I'm taking it for one, guys, let me show you something real quick. As you see right here, this is a demand area. Remember, I talk about finding the engulf, right? And then the price closed inside of the engulf right here. See that? Then what happened? We got a inverted hammer. And this is another pro tip, guys. Inverted hammers sometimes can signal reversals in the market. Now, the inverted hammer, it even created a higher high. You see that right there? So this now increases my confidence in my analysis, and this is how I trade. Okay, and this is the reason why I said that you guys need to understand candlestick psychology so that you can be more confident in the market. See what I'm saying? All right, let's find another opportunity. All right, I don't know what about this trade, but it just looks funny. I'm trying to see if I could take one more trade on it, but it doesn't look very strong. This is one of the ones that it's medium, it's okay, it's tradable, because the market, as you guys can see right here, there's a red green pattern, right? So I can expect a green candle because this was a red one previously, and you see that, plus the demand area, and this trade is a bonus trade. This is so crazy, guys. This trade, I don't know why I took one on it, guys. I didn't see all the confluences. I only saw 2 confluences to 3, and then I took the trade, but I should have taken it earlier with more confluences, but that's fine. Okay, so let me show you guys something right here. I'm going to take 2 trades for this one. Now, as you see, the price closed inside of my supply area, and when the price closed in the supply area, there's many times it can give us a reversal candle. Now I want to tell you guys something, guys. This is one of the strongest supply areas ever. Okay, you notice how the price dropping. Like, I don't even understand why I took 2 trades here. This is kind of, it's okay, but my point is, This is one of the crazy strong ones. You see how the price is dropping? Come on, guys. Come on, you see it for yourself in 4K. Come on, man. I don't know, supply. Look at that, guys. Look at that massive candle. That is crazy. I told you it's one of the strongest ones. This is one of the strongest ones ever. I think I should also take a trade right here. Let me see if the price comes back up, because guys, I don't like to take trade when the price run. Okay, I'm gonna take one only because the supply already consumed. Hopefully I don't lose this trade, but this candle was very strong. But as you see, there is a red green pattern going on here, so I don't know if this candle might try to be green. But this engulfing candle is very strong, so I think the price will continue going down. Plus we are coming from a strong supply area. Okay, let me check this trade to see what's this. Okay, let me set the alarm so when it comes back down I could take that trade. Let me check this one right here. Okay, that was a winning trade. Marvelous. Okay, I can take this one for 2 right here. Okay. Let me see if this is a good one. Not entirely, because oh, another thing, someone else in the comments asked me about engulfing candles. Now, for me, preferably, the engulfing candle should cover the body of this candle and also the wick. You notice it only covers the body and not the wick. This kind of make it a little bit weak, but let's see if it's going to turn out to be a winning trade or not. You see, it makes it a little bit weak, guys. This was kind of a bad trade. I don't know why I took it. I was just excited to take trades, you know, because I'm on a winning spree. But yeah, that's how it is sometimes, you know. Even experienced traders, we do have to control our emotions in the market also. Okay, all right, let's find another opportunity to recover that loss. All right. Whoa, whoa. I see 2 trading opportunities right here. Let me show you guys something. This is just so wonderful, guys. I don't know, it's like today's market is so beautiful. That's all I can say. Like, there's just endless opportunities. I'm noticing the opportunities are flowing very quickly, and this is what I like about supply and demand. It's just very, once you understand it, you notice that it's very simple, and it's much more on the frequent side of things. It's much frequent. Look how strong that is, guys. You see that rejection? Wow, what was what was that? Okay, guys, come on, let me do one more. We only have about 12 seconds on this candle right here. Come on, give me that rejection. Come on, beautiful. What? Come on. Okay, what were you trying to do, huh? This was a very perfect, this was a very, I don't want to say the word perfect, guys, because there's nothing such as perfect, but this was a very good supply area. I don't know, guys, I'm still mesmerizing. I'm still thinking about this trade right here. It was just playing with my emotions, guys, honestly, because this trade was, I already marked this trade and I set a alarm right here so that it could reject it, so I could get the notification. And I don't know, the price was playing with me right here. But let's find another opportunity. Alright, I'm taking this for 1 right here. The price closed inside this demand. I think I should take this for 1 more trade, honestly. If it comes back up, yeah, 1 more. That's it. I'm not going too heavy on this one. hopefully I don't lose it, but based on everything, I'm in the right direction in terms of the trend wise. And yes, this demand area, the price closed inside of it, and it's a very decent demand area, supply area. My bad, guys, this is supply area. When we are going with the buyers, it's supply. When we are going with the sellers, it's supply. When we are going with the buyers, it's demand. My bad, guys, I hope you understand that. Okay, come on. Right. Come on. My trade entered very late. What is going on here? You see that, guys? My trade, I tried to enter inside of the box and it enters outside. I hate this shit, son. I don't like that. Let me see if it comes up any much more. Hopefully it rejects enough, because my entry, guys, was supposed to be right on the top of the wick right here. Okay. Okay, beautiful, nice. My entry was supposed to be at the very top right here. It's even hesitating to close. What is going on? Anyway, guys, this will be the end of my video. If you want to learn about supply and demand, candlestick psychology, you can use the link in description to apply for mentorship. See you in the next video. Bye for now.